Uska bosio umrai wiki amakia PLP Martha Karua umugabara we county ya James Orengo boigona babwata nibande abakwegerera obwene wa mwanya bantu nigo baruro kubore gukia serikali kure kitariki 25 cy'umutenyo yega ogatano narimo koba umutimoko eri Kobainyora Abasae abo Basiretie Obogima kibare kwamereria umuswada bw'ekibese bw'umwaka bw'2024 nigo bayakwana yakinga kibaikira nase nyumba ya jogo eri yokumumanya omonene b'abanyanyimbo igoro yokorobekana kwa murembe ukukora kwa kitariki 25 umutenyo yega ogatano narimo.
My name is Caroline Mutisia, mother to Erickson Chalo Mutisia. Mimi nataka kusema hivi, tumesema ni asante, petition yetu imechukuliwa na tutakuwa sawa tarehe 25. So we'll march to honor our children.
Kwa majina Jacinta Nyango, Mama Kennedy Onyango. Mimi ningeomba hiyo tarehe ikuwe holiday. Miaka na miaka, June 26 naomba ikuwe holiday ya mashujaa ya watoto wetu. Na tunaomba hiyo siku tafadhali, askari, serikali tafadhali wasiue watoto wetu tena. Wasitumie tear gas. Tumekuja na upole, sio maandamano lakini makumbusho. Na makumbusho lazima tufanye maandamano ili tukumbushe walikufa juu ya maandamano.
We were here escorting the parents of the Gen Z who were killed on 25th June 2024. I'll say some of the parents because it's not all who are here. And all they are asking in their petition, giving a notification that there will be a public procession on that day, asking for support from all Kenyans to participate in the 47 counties in the remembrance of their fallen children. As leaders, we are out here with them, pledging to be with them and urging the police to respect the Constitution and the rule of law.
I want to say that we supported the mothers to present a petition. That petition has been read. The context in which this petition has been presented is that police killings and brutality are continuing, abductions are continuing, extrajudicial killing is continuing, and that is why it is crucial that we have the 25th and the 26th of June as a memorial to those who were brutally killed and murdered and those who were injured. Therefore, I appeal to all Kenyans that let's stand in solidarity with the mothers, with the fathers, with the relatives, or those are sons who have fallen 2 years ago. As you have heard, we have asked the state to declare the 25th to be a public holiday. But I want to say, because Kenyans are sovereign, the 25th shall be a public holiday. We don't need to beg for permission. There is also a demand for an apology. That apology must come quick and fast before the 25th of this year.